Okay, so this is just a quick video to show the bed panels I just installed recently. They're from Cali Raised. They're located down in Southern California, but these are great panels. I have them on both sides, and for now I have Rotopax mounts installed on both rear ones, but they go the full length of the bed. As you can see, flip over to the other side. There's the other side, the Rotopax mount right there for now. It may change. These are great. They're made out of steel, heavy duty steel. Real easy to install. They look good. You can attach a ton of stuff to them. I just ordered the bed rack from Cali Raised. So I'm just waiting for that to come in, and then I'll mount that on here. So I may make some changes once that's installed. But for now, this is what they look like. Like I said, the company's name is Cali Raised, and real good people to deal with. Real high quality products. Thanks.